My product follows several conventions of a psychological drama short film. These include the use of emotional dialogue, the limited number of characters, and the use of flashbacks. These help in revealing a deeper story. My product also challenges conventions by revealing that Shri, the younger sister, has passed away several years earlier. Instead of clearly showing the flashbacks, my film initially presents the park scenes as if they were happening in the present time. This creates a shock or thrill effect for the viewer when the reality is presented later. In terms of representation, my film revolves around themes of grief, denial, loss, and mental health. The main character, Deep, represents individuals who struggle to accept the loss of a loved one. The caretaker and the doctor represent individuals who help characters like Deep navigate this journey of loss and help to deal with the trauma. The ending of the film is open to interpretation for the viewers. However, the film revolves around the central idea that the main character, Deep, is clearly in a distressed mental state and hints towards dealing with memory issues and is struggling to deal with her past. My product engages audiences through emotion, mystery, and a narrative twist. At the beginning, the audiences see two sisters playing happily in the park, which creates a sense of joyfulness and warmth within the viewers. And when the story suddenly shifts to the present and it is revealed that Shri has actually passed away 16 years ago, the viewers feel deep shock and an emotional impact. The film also keeps audiences engaged by gradually revealing the information rather than explaining everything all at once. The phone call scene increases tension because Deep thinks she's talking to her sister, but it is very clear to the viewers that something is not right. If this product were to be distributed as a real media text in the market, I think it would be released on YouTube or Hotstar. I think psychological and emotional short films are often shared on digital platforms so that they can be accessed to the viewers easily. These social media platforms could also be used to promote the film through short clips, reels, or posters. So now that you have seen the final product, what are your first thoughts?
So I really liked it. It it's emotional. It shows the bonding between two sisters, how much they loved each other, how much they care for each other. That's the reason she was not able to accept her absence. Like the moment, even the moment her caretaker told her that she's no more, still she was like, no, it can't happen because she loves her so much that even though she's not with her, she's feeling her presence nearby. And yeah, it's really emotional and it shows the strong bonding between two sisters.
Was there any specific scene or moment in the film where you felt a strong sense of emotion, like happy, sad, positive, negative, anything?
Now, honestly, twice. So, first was when she hugged her sister when they were kids, and she closed her eyes, and there was some dramatic sounds from behind. So, I was very curious what gonna happen next because I for a second felt like, oh, what gonna happen? What gonna happen? And yeah, something actually happened. And then the second emotional part was when she was talking to the doctor thinking she's talking to her sister, and her caretaker gave her pills, and she's she's not able to accept only the absence of her sister. She cares a lot about her, and she's still stuck with that promise she made before. So she was just thinking about it, talking to her. So I just felt little connected. I can't say that I can completely understand her situation, but I can just say that yeah, I related a bit. I can understand how she must have felt that time.
The transition scene where we've shown the time lapse.
Yeah.
Do you remember how you felt? Shock, confusion?
Yeah, so for a second when they hugged and the microwave scene came, that moment I thought maybe they are in the hospital or something, because it was very dramatic effects and everything. So for a second I felt like maybe you know um she's really hurt, so they had to admit her in the hospital. But then she opened the microwave and I was like, damn, I was thinking something else only. So the effects you have used, those are very effective, and yeah, they were very dramatic, so they can put people in confusion for seconds.
Yeah.
But yeah,
As an actor, now that you have seen the final product, what are your first thoughts?
I really like the film and I like shooting with you. And the movie was good, and the scenes, the movie script was also good.
Okay,
I
thank
really
you.
liked it.
Thank you. During shooting for the film and now that you have watched it, is there any specific scene that you really like?
Yeah, when I was doing the swing, you remove that shoot from there. So I really like playing with that swing in the sea.
Okay. Now that you have seen the final product, what are your first thoughts?
I like the way you showed, and I like my daughter also while she was swinging on the seashore. That's it. Very good.
While watching the film, was there any specific scene that made you feel a great sense of emotion, any type, happy, sad, positive, negative?
Yeah, when she was hugging her sister, that was a very emotional scene, which I liked it very much. Thank you.
Why?
I feel that way because that was an emotion which comes from the heart.
Okay.
So that was something different. When she closed her eyes, she was also feeling that scene.
Right. During the revelation scene, when the plot twist was shown that the sister has passed away, what were your thoughts as a viewer at that moment?
It was very shocking to see that. But at the end, it was also that she loved her so much that after she died 16 years back, but she was alive in her mind.
Yeah.
That is good. That is very nice. But
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you. I think throughout the project, my technical and creative skills have developed significantly. Thanks to my school, they gave me several opportunities to film and edit the major events such as the Teachers' Day, the farewell, and the Sports Day. This not only helped in improving my editing skills, but it also helped me in experimenting with various camera angles and movements that I actually use in my short film. Technology obviously played a major role in my production process. I used my iPhone camera, the hardware equipment, to film both my exterior and interior shoots. In the post production stage, I used the software Adobe Premiere Pro to categorize my scenes and to edit it effectively. Online tools such as YouTube, Canva, Google Docs, Studio Binder help me to categorize, organize, and execute my portfolio efficiently. All in all, the integrated use of hardware and software helped me produce a product that I'm very much satisfied with.